Controlling the low end in a mix is a crucial aspect of music production. It can make or break the balance of your mix, affecting the overall sound quality. Here are the top 5 tips to help you control the low end in your mix effectively. Use high-pass filters. High-pass filters allow frequencies above a certain point to pass through while reducing the frequencies below that point. They are a great tool for eliminating unnecessary low frequencies that can muddy your mix. Use them on tracks that don't contribute to the low end, like vocals or guitars, to keep the low frequencies clear. Monitor the low end. To control the low end, you need to hear it accurately. This requires a good monitoring system. If your speakers or headphones don't reproduce low frequencies well, you might overcompensate by adding too much bass. Invest in a good set of studio monitors and consider using a subwoofer for accurate low-frequency reproduction. Balance the kick and bass. The kick drum and bass are the two main elements that occupy the low end of the frequency spectrum. Balancing these two elements is key to a clear and powerful low end. Try to carve out a specific frequency range for each element to avoid frequency masking. For example, if your kick drum sounds best at 60 Hz, you might want to high-pass your bass at 60 Hz and find its power in a slightly higher range. Use sidechain compression. Sidechain compression is a technique where the level of one sound is reduced based on the level of another sound. It's commonly used to make space for the kick drum by reducing the level of the bass every time the kick hits. This helps to prevent the low end from becoming too crowded and keeps the rhythm clear and defined. Don't overdo it. While it's important to have a solid low end, too much of it can make your mix sound muddy and undefined. Be mindful of the balance between the low end and the rest of the frequency spectrum. A good mix should sound balanced across all frequencies. These are just guidelines. Every mix is unique, so use your ears and trust your judgment. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.